Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Simon and we are the Whales of Wall Street. Today I've got a very quick and cool update here from Socios.com and a Premier League team, Everton Football Club here in England, from the Premier League football institution, I like to call it. So this is in partnership with Socios and Everton, and basically adding to the point that of other football clubs that have already joined this awesome little project here: Barcelona, Man City, PSG. I'm sure there'll be many more. And we've also covered recently in the recent Chiliz video that we did the UFC partnerships and also what they're doing with sponsorships in F1 and other aspects of sport around the world. Now, I just want to touch upon this once again. So the Socios app is basically trying to bring fans closer, utilizing the Chiliz token for fans across the world to be able to participate in potentially voting systems like design of football shirts, obtaining NFT tokens or NFT assets, potentially like, for example, footballers, for showrooms and things like that, or limited edition maybe footballs or club memorabilia and things like that as well. So there's loads of opportunity in the future of how this can develop. It's nice to get in there early with this kind of application. I can see more and more teams across the world, and especially in the Premier League, getting involved in stuff like this. So these guys have now ordered the EFC fan tokens. So there we go. So you can actually use the Chiliz token and the Socios app to obtain these EFC tokens, and then you can basically transfer those into awesome other things like we've just mentioned. So I just thought I'd throw that little update up there. I think it's really positive for Chiliz, and I think it's really positive for the Premier League and other football clubs as well. So I'm hoping there'll be more and more Premier League teams coming together to sign up to Socios. So we've already mentioned, I think, Arsenal in there as well from the Premier League. It'd be interesting to see how many more and how quickly more Premier League teams join this awesome project. So if you haven't done it so already, go and do a bit of research on socios.com to find out exactly what else they do on here, or check out our video that I'll put a link to at the end of this video around Chiliz and this Socios app as well that Steve kindly went through the other week. But yeah, I thought I'd share that with you. Hope you found this relatively informative. I don't think it's done too much to the price. No disrespect to Everton, but they're not one of the biggest teams in the Premier League. But I'm only joking, guys. I'm only joking. We love Everton. So I think it's not done so much in the market yet. Obviously, the Everton fan base, no disrespect, compared to other football clubs, isn't as big. That doesn't mean to say that it's going to be as popular, and especially from collectors. You remember, back in the day of collecting stickers and figurines, football crazy, football mad, grab a power pod, was it called? Football pod, I can't remember. Someone can remind me in the comments below if you were in the UK at the time. But yeah, all those kind of things, it will really come together for this kind of market, and NFTs as well. So as in terms of Chiliz, I do think a lot of it's very much based on updates coming out of the projects and things like that reflect the price, as well as, of course, some market traction with other assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum that then get passed down to the other coins. We're sort of sitting steady, to be honest, on this sort of 26-cent mark. Obviously, the next step up for me would be being excited about things kind of over the 30-cent mark, but predominantly over the 32 to see if we can test that next level. It got rejected quite quickly in this area here around mid-June, and since then we've traced back in the traditional market dump that we had last month, or the month and a half ago now. I can't believe we're in August already. But yeah, like as I said, steady pattern here, but we are seeing a small, slow, very slow growth line here, edging towards closer and closer to that 30-cent mark. So let's see where we are in the next 2-3 weeks, but I'll keep you guys updated on Chiliz, on Socios, and any other footballing fan tokens that come to play in the immediate future. So like I said, hope you found this informative. Please do like and subscribe. Really obviously appreciate that massively, and helps the channel out keep growing and growing, and we'll keep delivering awesome videos to you. as and when we can. So that just leaves me, guys, to say thanks for watching, and hope to see you, Chiliz, Socios, and not so much Everton, on the moon. Take care.